Well, good morning. I just want to thank you all for bearing with us together in this class. I think it's a little harder for all of us working together in a smaller class, all right? We don't quite reach critical mass. I think I mentioned this was a new class. I just designed it. It's the first time it's been offered. You know, I'm hoping that you'll tell your friends about it. It is a fun class. So the debate, I see you all are going to do it Tuesday night. Thank you so much, 10 o'clock. I really admire that. So what I've done is two of you are taking the pro-legalization side, and Caitlin and Amber, and then Valerie has offered to take the opposing side, okay, even though she's pro, all right? And this is a really good skill that anytime you're creating an argument, anytime you're defending an argument, anytime you're writing an argumentative paper, it's vital that you understand and address the opposing viewpoints, okay? Many times opposing viewpoints are very legitimate, all right? So you have to have done the research so that you're able to refute those opposing viewpoints. Now, if you just, in any kind of argument, if you just give your point of view, just all the pros, right, you know, those people who have valid questions or valid concerns or valid issues or valid doubts, they won't feel satisfied by your argument. They'll accuse you of ignoring the other points of view, okay, or ignoring the other data. So it's a very good skill to, you know, train yourself to say, okay, well, let's look at this from the way I don't agree with it. Okay, do the research. All right, that doesn't mean your opinion might change. All right, although sometimes it does, which is also good. Okay, so anyway, for this debate, 10 o'clock, right? Three of you get together. Valerie's going to take the opposing view. The other two of you are going to take turns presenting the pro view. All right. It is vital that when you're finished in the chat room, when you're done, don't close it. None of you, okay? Hang on there, and do the Control-A thing if you're on a PC or if you're Mac users. You know how to select everything. Select the entire chat room dialog. The whole thing unfolds like a roll of paper towels. All right. So make sure you select the entire document. You know all the text that's in there, and there's more below the bottom of the screen, but it'll all select and copy and paste that into a Word document. Make sure it's all there. Do not close the chat window until you are sure you've copied it correctly and fully and pasted it correctly and fully into a Word document. Then you save that Word document, and then you add it to the assignment link. You attach it to the assignment link. And that's critical, okay, because that's the only way I can give you a grade. It's the only way I can grade it. Do not forget that. Also, do not forget the final exam. Now, the exact details during the debate, I put them in an announcement last week, or I told you last week to go to the, let me double check where it is. It's called the Unit 4 Overview. It's right under the line that says Lesson 4, the debate, July 27th to August 5th. Please make sure you've looked at that overview. That walks you through the steps, okay? Walks you through the documentation for the way I expect this debate to unfold, okay? So I think that's pretty much it. I've given you a rubric there. I'm going to assess the debate, all right, each of you. I assess each of you individually, okay? And the link that's called Debate Transcript, that's where you attach your debate. And then last but not least, don't forget the final exam, okay? So once again, I appreciate the class. Please hunt for your classroom evaluations and turn those in. I think they expire. And everything expires for me this Wednesday night. I have to have the material. I have to have your transcript. I have to have you complete the final exam because I have my own issues in getting all the grading done. I teach multiple classes, and I have a big, heavy week this week. So I need to get the work done myself, but you want to get done to enjoy the last couple of weeks of summer. Okay, so hey, enjoy. It's been a pleasure working with you. I hope to see you in some of my future classes. Thank you very much.